Hello and welcome to this video. Today we'll be talking about some of the best places to visit in Romania. First on our list is the city of Brașov, located in the heart of Romania. This city boasts of its well-preserved medieval architecture and its stunning black church, which is one of the largest Gothic structures in Eastern Europe. Next, we have the painted monasteries of Bucovina, which are a UNESCO World Heritage Site. These monasteries are famous for their intricate exterior frescoes, which depict biblical scenes and are considered masterpieces of Byzantine art. Another must-visit destination is the Transylvanian region, which is known for its rolling hills, quaint villages and fortified churches. This region is also home to the city of Sighisoara, which is the birthplace of Vlad the Impaler, better known as Dracula. Moving on, we have the Danube Delta, which is one of the largest and best-preserved river deltas in Europe. This delta is home to a vast array of wildlife, including over 300 species of birds, making it a paradise for nature lovers and birdwatchers. The Corvin Castle, also known as the Castle of the Fairies, is another fascinating place to visit in Romania. This castle is considered one of the largest and most impressive Gothic-style castles in Europe and is surrounded by legends and myths. We have the Paliș Castle, located in the Carpathian Mountains. This castle was built in the late 19th century as a summer residence for the Romanian royalty and is considered one of the finest examples of German Renaissance architecture in Eastern Europe. The medieval fortified city of Sighisoara is a well-preserved example of a fortified city in Eastern Europe, with a citadel, clock tower, and medieval towers that offer a glimpse into the past. The Palace of Culture in the city of Iași is one of the largest and most impressive buildings in Romania, housing several museums, a concert hall, and an art gallery. The Bucovina Canyon, located in the eastern Carpathians, is a stunning natural gorge with towering cliffs and a fast-flowing river, offering breathtaking views and opportunities for adventure activities. The statue of Despalus, the last king of Dacia, on the banks of the Danube is the tallest rock sculpture in Europe and offers panoramic views of the surrounding area. The stunning rural landscapes of Maramureș, with rolling hills, traditional wooden architecture, and picturesque villages, offer a glimpse into the authentic rural life of Romania and its rich cultural heritage. These are just a few of the many other breathtaking places to visit in Romania. Whether you're interested in history, culture, nature, or adventure, Romania has something for everyone. I hope this video has inspired you to plan your next trip. Just a friendly reminder that the information shared is for informative content only, and not to be considered professional advice. To make the most informed decision, we recommend double-checking and doing your own research to make sure you have the latest and greatest information. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing travel adventures. Thanks for watching.